Let's build a guest pattern that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO brick tutorial. Let's start with our floor with a 6x16 plate. Place a 1x6 plate right in the top center, followed by a pair of 1x4 plates. Now on the left hand side we're going to place two 1x4 plates and two on the right hand side. Now, these plates are going to hang over by two studs. So let's slip in another 6x16 plate to complete the base. And two more 1x4 plates. Let's set some plates to attach our furniture that we'll be building in a moment or two, starting with a 1x2 jumper plate. Place it in the top left. Skip 3 studs and place a 1x2 plate. Skip a stud and place another 1x2 plate. On the right hand side we're going to skip 2 studs, place a 1x2 plate, skip 4 studs, and another 1x2 plate. On the left hand side we're going to skip 6 studs and go over 3 and place a 1x2 jumper plate. These are going to be used to attach the bed. Note this 1x2 plate, on the right hand side we're going to skip 2 studs and place a 1x1 plate right here. Let's skip 3 studs here, place another 1x1 plate. This is going to be a part of an aerial rug that I'll be showing you in a moment or two. And then we're going to skip 2 studs on both left and right hand sides, place another set of 1x1 plates. Now let's begin tiling the floor. I'm going to go with the classic hardwood floor pattern. Now let's raise some walls, starting in the back with 4 1x4 bricks. I chose to use cool yellow for the wall color. Let's place 2 1x4 bricks on the left and 2 1x4 bricks on the right, followed by a pair of 1x3 bricks. Starting on the left, place 3 1x4 bricks. In the back, set down 3 1x4 bricks, followed by a 1x2 brick. And on the right hand side, 3 1x4 bricks. Third layer, let's place down 4 1x4 bricks. 2 1x4 bricks on the left hand side and 2 more 1x4 bricks on the right hand side, followed by a pair of 1x3 bricks. Fill in these areas. Back on the left, place a 1x4 brick, skip 4 studs, place another 1x4 brick. In the back, a pair of 1x4 bricks, skip 4 studs, another 1x2 brick. And on the right hand side, 3 1x4 bricks. Back on the left, another 1x4 followed by a 1x3 brick. In the back, a 1x4 brick, a 1x2 brick, and a 1x3 brick. And on the right hand side, a 1x3 brick, 2 1x4 bricks, and a 1x3 brick right there. Back on the left, a pair of 1x4 bricks. Now for the back, we're going to start with a 1x2 brick. Now we're going to place a 1x2 brick with 2 studs. This is going to be used to attach a pitcher. And a 1x4 brick. For the right, a 1x2 brick followed by 3 1x4 bricks to finish up this row. For windows, I'm going to take a 1x2x3 frame, place a piece of glass that fits inside the frame. We're going to need to make 4 of these. We're going to set 2 of these in the back and 2 of them on the left. For a picture, you can use anything you wish. I have a picture of a sailboat. Place it right on top like so. And for the last row of bricks, we're going to start in the back and place 4 1x4 bricks to lock in this level. On the sides, 2 1x4 bricks another 2 1x4 bricks, followed by a pair of 1x3 bricks. For a storage chest, take a 2x4 chest bottom. We're going to place the lid on like so. Just wiggle that in there. Makes a great place to store blankets. For a night table, start with a 2x2 plate, flip it over, and place 4 studs on the bottom. Now these are going to act as our little legs to keep the night table elevated. I'm going to flip this back over and place a 1x2 brick in the back, followed by 1x1 angler bricks in the front. And we're going to face this off with a 1x2 jumper plate on the top, a 2x2 jumper plate. For a lamp, we're going to take a 1x1 nose cone for the base, followed by a transparent yellow stud and a 2x2 dome for a lampshade. For the dresser, start with a 2x6 plate. Let's flip it over. Take a set of studs. We're going to place them on top of one another. We're going to make 4 of these, and we're going to place them in the 4 corners. These are going to act as decorative legs. Now, flipping the assembly over, we're going to place a 1x6 brick in the back and 6 1x1 angular bricks in the front, or also known as headlight bricks. Now what these are going to be used for is to attach the drawer fronts, which are 1x2 jumper plates. I use these for these to act like little handles. I'm just going to leave them open. Now on the top, let's take a 1x4 flat tile, place it right in the front, and on the sides, a pair of 1x2 jumper plates. And in the top, we're going to take 2 1x1 plates, place them right next to the jumper plates, to where we have a 1x2 opening. Now take a 1x2x3 frame. We're going to take a piece of glass that has a reflective sticker. Yes, I did put a sticker on that, and we're going to stick that in like so. You don't have to put the sticker on there. We're going to set this assembly in the back. This is going to act like our little mirror. Take a pair of nose cones, set them on top of one another, and we're going to crown these off with 2 studs. Now let's make 2 of these. We're going to set these on both sides of the mirror. Let's lock this together with a 1x4 brick with 4 studs. Now let's dress this up, starting with a 1x2 modified plate with 3 teeth, and we're going to place 1x1 modified plates with a single tooth on both sides. This gives it some decorative character. And let's decorate it with a little minifigure trophy. We'll set that right there. For a curtain, start with a 1x4 plate. Let's place a 1x2 plate on the left hand side. Take a 1x3 brick with bow, place it on the right hand side. Now take a 1x1 brick with 1 stud, place it to where the stud is facing the left hand side. Make 4 of these in total. Now let's take a 1x6 plate. We're going to flip it over and take 3 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plates, place them on the underside of the 1x6 plate. Now we're going to flip this back around, and in these middle studs, a pair of 1x2 modified plate with 3 teeth. On the outer studs, a pair of 1x1 modified plate with teeth. Now to assemble our curtains, let's flip the top piece over, and we're going to place the drape assemblies in like so. Now let's make 2 of these. Now let's start with the bed with a 2x8 plate. Place 6 1x2 jumper plates in the middle portion of the 2x8 plate. Now make sure your plates are standing like so. Now, we're going to place the jumper plates inside these two tubes to offset our plates. I'm going to take 3 2x3 plates and set them on like so. And in the middle, a 1x6 plate. For the comforter, take 12 1x1 bricks with bow. We're going to go around this side and this side. In the top right, a 1x2 jumper plate, and then top left, a 1x1 flat tile. Now for the remainder of this area, we're going to fill it in with 15 more 1x1 flat tiles. As you can see, I have a nice quilt pattern. Now we're going to slip in a 1x2 slope right in the center on the jumper plate for a pillow. Let's slide the bed off to the side. Take a 1x4 plate, place a set of 1x1 plates on both ends of the 1x4 plate. We're going to need to make 2 of these. Let's slide these on both ends of the bed. Let's add a footboard, starting with a set of 1x1 nose cones. Place them right in the center. And a set of 1x1 bricks on both sides. A 1x2 plate on top of the nose cones, and a 1x4 plate with bow right in the center. Now for the headboard, set in a 1x4 plate and a 1x4 brick. 2 nose cones right by the pillow, followed by a pair of 1x1 bricks. Place a 1x2 plate on top of the nose cones and a 1x4 plate with bow to lock it all together. Now we have a nice bed with foot and headboard. Let's set our furnishings in the room, starting with the storage chest. Place it where this side is on both studs. I'll set the nightstand right here. For the bed, place it on the jumper plates. Snaps right in place. And the dresser, I'm going to set right in this area. Just press that right down firm. For our curtain assembly, let's attach our curtains. Let's take our assembly and place a 2x4 flat tile like so. And we're going to place it right in the center, right above the window. Just drop that right down inside. We'll take our second assembly, place it right over here. Let's flat tile off the top of the wall on this side. Start with a pair of 1x6 flat tiles. Around the curtain assembly, we'll take a pair of 1x2x2 corner tiles, place them like so to finish that area off, and a 1x6 flat tile. Finally on the left, a 1x2 flat tile, followed by a pair of 1x2x2 flat tiles, and a 1x2 flat tile in this area. There is our guest bedroom. It is scaled for minifigures. So here I have Jay the Surfer. As you can see, everything's the right height and he can anchor down to the studs. He can also lay in bed. Nice cozy bed to sleep in. Even got the chest on the side. Now this doesn't open up all the way. That's just basically for decoration. But with the curtains and the small dresser, makes a nice little cozy guest bedroom.